Before buying non-stick cookware, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Many of these options claim to be safe, but hidden issues could lead to regrets later. Let's explore some real alternatives that keep your cooking safe and enjoyable.
Product number 1, Carote Titanium Cookware Set. The Carote Non-Stick Pots and Pans Set, priced at $89.99. What caught my attention is the 16-piece collection, which seems like a steal for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen. If you want a comprehensive cooking solution without the Teflon worries, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The titanium non-stick coating ensures superior food release, meaning you won't have to deal with stuck-on bits of food. It also offers durable and even heating thanks to the reinforced die-cast aluminum that helps eliminate hot spots. Plus, the silicone-sealed glass lids let you monitor your cooking without the need to lift them, keeping moisture in. Over 5,000 of these sets have been sold recently, showing that many people trust this brand. Now, some people complained about the need for hand washing. Here's the thing though, while that might be a hassle for some, it's crucial for maintaining that non-stick surface, so it's not a total deal breaker. If you're someone who doesn't mind a little extra care for durability, this is a great option. This is perfect for you if you want a full cookware upgrade without the Teflon toxicity. Skip this one if you're looking for something low maintenance or if you primarily use the dishwasher. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prioritize ease of use.
Product number 2, Tramontina Professional Fry Pan. The Tramontina Professional 8-inch non-stick frying pan. It doesn't have a listed price, but it's known for being a budget-friendly choice that doesn't compromise on quality. The vibrant red handle caught my eye, but if you want professional-grade performance at home, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This frying pan features a reinforced non-stick coating that provides effortless food release. It's made with heavy-gauge aluminum, which ensures quick, even heat distribution, so your eggs won't end up burnt on one side. It's also dishwasher safe, which means after cooking up a storm, cleanup is a breeze. Plus, it's NSF certified, meaning it meets high standards for quality and safety, a big plus if you're cautious about what you cook with. Now, some users have noted the handle can get hot. Here's the thing though, if you're careful, it's manageable, and the silicone sleeve does add a level of insulation. This is ideal if you want a reliable frying pan for everyday cooking. This is perfect for you if you want a compact, reliable pan that performs well. Skip this one if you need something larger or prefer non-stick options that are induction compatible. Now, if Carote's need for hand washing bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 3, Carote 19-piece set. We have another Carote product, the 19-piece Pots and Pans non-stick set, priced at $59.99. This caught my attention because it offers such a wide variety, perfect for those who want to have everything they need in one purchase. If you want versatility and affordability, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This set features a detachable handle, which makes storing these pots and pans a breeze, especially if space is tight. The induction capability means you can use it on all types of stovetops. Plus, the non-stick surface ensures cooking and cleaning are as easy as possible, so you can focus on enjoying your meals instead of scrubbing pots. Now, some buyers mention that the detachable handles can feel a bit flimsy. Here's the thing though, as long as you handle them with care, they work just fine and save you the trouble of bulky storage. This set is a solid option for anyone needing a complete package without breaking the bank. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a comprehensive cookware set that won't take up a lot of space. Skip this if you want something that feels more premium or heavy duty. Alright, that was a great value option, but the next product offers a unique twist with its material.
Product number 4, Miller Classic Series Helmet. If you're looking for something a bit more high-end, the Miller Classic Series Auto Darkening Helmet is priced at $134.06. This helmet is known for its clear light technology, which enhances optical clarity and is perfect for precision tasks. With a viewing area of 6 square inches and a switching speed of 1/23,000 seconds, this helmet ensures you see every detail. It's suitable for various applications, making it great for both experienced welders and beginners alike. The adjustable digital controls for shade, delay, and sensitivity allow you to customize your experience.
On the downside, some users felt it might be overkill for casual projects. But honestly, if you're serious about welding, this helmet could last you for years and truly enhance your work. This is perfect for you if you're a professional or a serious hobbyist. Skip this if you only weld occasionally. It's a worthwhile long-term investment for serious welders.
Product number 5, AstraCook Black Titanium Set. We have the AstraCook 19 pieces pots and pan set, priced at $79.99. This caught my eye for its black titanium finish and comprehensive range of pieces. If you want a stylish, complete set that's safe, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The titanium non-stick coating ensures food slides out with ease, and it effectively prevents stains and odors. Plus, the heat-resistant handles and shatter-resistant glass lids mean you can cook comfortably and confidently. It's compatible with various heat sources, making it flexible for any kitchen setup. Some reviews did mention that the cookware might require more care than traditional non-stick options. Here's the thing though, for the quality and the cooking experience it provides, a little extra care is a fair trade-off. This set is fantastic for anyone looking to invest in a long-lasting cookware collection. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a stylish cookware set that meets all your cooking needs. Skip this if you want something more budget-oriented, as it may not be the cheapest option out there. So there you have it. We've covered the Carotte Titanium Cookware Set, Tramontina Fry Pan, Carotte 19-piece set, Blue Diamond Frying Pan, and AstraCook Black Titanium Set. Each of these brings something unique to the table, whether it's versatility, professional quality, or that stylish touch. Choose based on what fits your cooking style and kitchen needs, and cook with peace of mind.